Air purifiers have become increasingly popular in recent years as more and more people become aware of the importance of indoor air quality. These devices help to remove pollutants, allergens, and other harmful particles from the air, making it easier to breathe and reducing the risk of respiratory problems. If you're in the market for an air purifier, Amazon has a wide variety of options to choose from. In this video, we'll take a look at the best air purifiers available on Amazon. Expect to get honest customers' reviews in this video, because what I'll be telling you about these products are what people who have used them for several months have said about the products. The first one we'll be looking at is the Purifier by Levoit. The Levoit Everest Air True HEPA air purifier is a top-of-the-line option that offers a high CADR rating, which means it can quickly and effectively remove pollutants from the air. It also features a 3-stage filtration system, including a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. This air purifier is also very quiet, making it great for use in bedrooms or other quiet spaces. There are fan levels 1 to 3, and even on level 3, it's still quiet. It's perfect for medium and large apartments. The app that comes with it works really well, except that there is a 5-second delay when controlling the device from your phone. Some of the few cons about this product are the wheels, handle and light sensor. Some people have reported that the light sensor on unit doesn't work. Lights stay on all the time, despite trying to toggle the feature on and off in the V-Sync app with no success. The wheels aren't great, just in case you want to move it. Also, the handles should be on the sides, not the back. Other than those 3 observations, which are not deal breakers at all, the device is a very nice and effective air purifier. The Blue Pure 411 air purifier is a compact, energy-efficient option that's perfect for small spaces. It features a 3-stage filtration system that includes a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. It also has a sleek, minimalist design that will look great in any room. One feature most people love about it is the sleep mode, which produces practically no noise and has no lights, so it is great for sleeping and used throughout the day. Also, the removable, washable outer filter and overall modern look of the filter casing is really great. One potential con with this air purifier is the noise level when used at high setting. Some users have reported that the Blue Pure 411 can be quite loud on the higher speed settings. This may be an issue for some people, especially if they plan to use the air purifier at high setting in a bedroom or other quiet space. Another potential downside is the filter replacement cost. The Blue Pure 411 uses proprietary filters that are more expensive than the standard filters of other air purifiers, which could add up over time. Additionally, some users have reported that the Blue Pure 411 is not very effective at removing strong odors from the air. This may be an issue for those looking to remove strong smells from pets, cooking or smoking. The Winix 5302 air purifier is a versatile option that's great for use in a variety of spaces. It features a 4-stage filtration system that includes a pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, an activated carbon filter, and a plasma wave technology. This air purifier also comes with a remote control and a filter replacement indicator, making it easy to maintain. This purifier moves a lot of air. It is almost silent, and it is adorable. At just $132, I think this machine is the best value on Amazon for air purifiers, and here's why. It covers a relatively large area, it's well made, has a strong recommendation from Allergy Buyers Club, and some reviewers have measured its effectiveness with a Dylos air particle sensor and stated the results were excellent and far better than most of the other ones in the same price range. One common problem with this product is a slight clicking noise from the fan at lower speed. The fan nut is not tight. The good thing is that it is easy to take apart and fix the problem, and there are a few YouTube videos out there that can help you fix the problem. The Honeywell HFD120Q is a top-of-the-line air purifier that effectively removes allergens, pollutants, and odors from the air in your home. With its powerful permanent, washable filter, this air purifier is able to remove 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pet dander, and pollen. One of the major benefits of the Honeywell HFD120Q is its washable filter, which can be reused, saving you money on expensive replacement filters. It also has an electronic filter indicator that reminds you when it's time to wash the filter. The HFD120Q also has a programmable timer that allows you to set the air purifier to turn on or off at specific times, and a touch button control, with 3 speed settings, and an automatic shut-off timer. that can be set for 2, 4, or 8 hours. One potential con with this product is the noise level. Some users have reported that the HFD120Q can be quite loud, especially on the higher speed settings. This may be an issue for some people, especially if they plan to use the air purifier in a bedroom or other quiet space. Also, some users have complained about the design of the HFD120Q. Some think that the unit is bulky and takes up a lot of space, while others think the design is somehow unattractive. This may not be an issue for everyone, but it is something to consider before making a purchase. Finally, we'll be looking at the Kowei Mighty. This air purifier is another great option. It has a 4-stage filtration system that includes a pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, a true HEPA filter, and an ionizer. It's also equipped with a smart sensor that can automatically adjust the fan speed based on the level of pollutants in the air. It can cover up to 800 square feet, which makes it perfect for medium and large space. At just only $164, the Kowei Mighty is an excellent product. But watch out for the price of the replacement filters. The price for the original filter, 1 HEPA and 2 coal, used to be under $50. At the time of making this video it is at $100, and the price seems to fluctuate every time, especially on the Canadian Amazon site. I hope this video has been helpful in your search for the perfect air purifier. Remember to do your own research and read customer reviews before making a purchase. Don't forget to check the link in the description box for the products we've mentioned today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.